Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change my avatar on Facebook and be able to personalize it. The first thing we will do is open the Facebook application. Then we will enter our Facebook profile. Once here, click on the Edit Profile option. Next, we will see the Avatar category. Here we will click on the Edit option. The customization screen of our avatar will open. Here we can go through each category to modify the settings we want for our avatar. We can physically customize it in addition to its clothing. When you finish, click on Save and confirm again with the Save button. Your avatar will begin to update and it will be the one that appears in the Facebook options from now on. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.